we have one more part of the graphing quadratics program to look at. So come here with me. And that's graphing using minus b over 2a. This other kind of graphing that we did, where it's in that special form and you can tell exactly where the vertex is, the vertex form, with the h and k where the vertex is really important. But there is a way to graph even if you don't put them in this form, and that's graphing using minus b over 2a. And if you're in a hurry to graph, you could use this method. I put some help boxes over here, but I can't get them in the screen for you to see. So we're going to hit a new problem to begin. And here we have y equals 1/2 x minus 6x plus 12. And it turns out that this graphing with minus b over 2a, minus b over 2a will be the location of the line of symmetry for the parabola. You've noticed that those parabolas could be folded in half. The line of symmetry is right straight up and down on that line where it could be folded in half. And we could find that line by calculating minus b over 2a. So let's try to do that here. I'm going to bring up the marker so that I can do this. For us, a, maybe I need to put a white. A is 1/2 and b is -6 and c is 12. So we want minus b, I'll turn it back to black, minus b, which would be the opposite of this b, which would be 6 over 2a, and 2 times 1/2 would be 1. That means our line of symmetry for this parabola is going to be on 6. So I'm going to minimize the marker and we're going to float in the line of symmetry. It's going to be at 6. Now this means that we know that this parabola is balanced on either side of this line of symmetry. Now to find exactly where the vertex is, we're going to take that 6 and plug it into, we're going to take the 6 and plug it into the equation and find the matching y. Then we'll be able to pin it down as to where exactly on this line of symmetry our parabola is located. So this requires a little bit of math. I put a 6 in here. 6 squared is 36. 1/2 of that is 18. Minus 6 times 6 minus 36 plus 12. So 18 minus 36 is minus 18 plus 12. Looks like it's -6. Can you remember that? -6. I'm going to minimize this. Check the line of symmetry. You're correct. So I need to put that at -6. We have found the vertex. Now once we found the vertex, the only thing that matters is we need to know which way is it going, up or down. Its a value is positive, so I know it's going up. And when we go 1 to the right and left of it, it will go up 1/2 of a unit. Look at point, oh, there it is. And there it is, and now I'll graph it for you. See? This is graphing with minus b over 2a. This is when an equation is not put in that nifty graphing formula. It's a little harder, but when you get sophisticated, you could master it. Let's do another problem. Okay, we want to locate the line of symmetry. It's going to be at minus b over 2a. We've got a little board over here. Maybe we could use it. B here is 4, so it'd be at minus 4 divided by 2a, which would be another -4. It looks like our line of symmetry is at 1. I'm going to float the line of symmetry in at 1. Now, I need to find out exactly where on this line of symmetry my function is located. So I will take that 1 and plug and chug it in here. And we clear that. If I put a 1 in here, 1 squared is 1 times negative 2 is negative 2. Put a 1 in here, plus 4, minus 6. Those two look like minus 2, and that looks like minus 4. So I'm going to check my line of symmetry, and I'm going to put minus 4 in here. I found the vertex. Now locate a point to the right and left. I can tell that this parabola is upside down, and that if I go 1 unit to the right and to the left, it will be down 2. There's 1. There's 1. And we've got the parabola. I'm sorry, I keep forgetting to check my line of symmetry. I hope you don't have the same problem. I haven't looked at this for a while. Let's do one more, and then you can solo flight on graphing with minus b over 2a. We're going to try to find the line of symmetry. It's minus b. B is 6, so minus b would be minus 6 over 2a. 2 times a half is 1. Looks like it's at negative 6, so I'm going to float in the line of symmetry at negative 6. This time I'm going to remember to check the line of symmetry. Now click on the y of the vertex. To find the y of the vertex, I have to plug that negative 6, which is its x in the line of symmetry, into the equation to find the matching y. Negative 6 squared, let me clear this over here. Negative 6 squared is 36. Half of that is 18. Negative 6 times 6 is negative 36. I think we had numbers like that before. Plus 12, didn't we? Probably not a whole lot of equations I can fit on this screen. So that's negative 18 plus 12 is negative 6. So I'm going to locate the vertex. There it is. I look at the 1/2 to see the shape. It's going to go up a half on either side. There's the graph. Hope you followed that. Get good at graphing with minus b over 2a. You'll be glad you did. Bye.